Just me and mom doing some spaghetti bolognese. Alright, some fast. Someone trying to get creative, putting some bell peppers in the bolognese. Spaghetti ready. Alright, bell peppers. It's my department, some onion and some garlic. I don't know why we decided to go Italian today. Too much speed, too much speed, too much speed. No, Bajani Mama. Let the onion get a little salt. Got it. What's that? Cleaning department. Me. MSG. First thing first, washing the dishes. Oh yeah. Right. Oh my god. Check this out, man. Alright. The fondi and the chicken is already ready. You can see the onion fondi and the garlic fondi and the chicken. Now let's put the tomato puree prepared by the mommy. There's a hell lot of puree, bro. Puree in. Home cooking always in conflict with the Maggie. Reggiano. Mom adding her extra touches, man. Tonkatsu. Very good. Smelling good, man. Strip, man. And then Domino's come to the rescue. Chili powder. Steamy. Steamy Chakranta. Beamy, steamy, beamy, steamy, beamy. Hello. Hello. Alright, Tonkatsu getting ready. Oops! Oops! Look at the steamy, bro. That smells so good. That tastes so good. The garlic, the mint, the basil, everything in there, man. And there's the spaghetti. Now, when daddy comes over. Tonkatsu ready, bro. Serving first for the appa. The Indian jugaad. Got the spaghetti with the Caesar. That's my mom's idea. Mama, ये हो शिकला को? Huh? YouTube? Huh? Noodles color ba कौन सी गई देखो है?
दाना कौन सी डालता है?
Oh, just cause dad can't eat it properly, manne you gotta eat it like this. Old man too much worrying. दूसरे स्पून के
मन करो
पूरा
छोड़ना
Woo! Check that out, man. Show what you did, Mom. Alright. That looks pretty good, man. Serving it to whom? It's time for the main man. The main man gonna eat it and see how it is. Okay? Check it out now. Oh, celebrity. Celebrity in the house. Celebrity. Oh yeah, man. Taste it. Taste it. Where is the fork, man? Mix it, mix it, mix it. The basil leaf, man, for the smell. Oh, the basil goes out the plate. My man doesn't like the basil. You gotta mix it up, man. Mix it up and mix it up and mix it up. Oh yeah, put the bite in your mouth.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Go for it. Oh yeah, that's money. Whoa.
Wow.
Yes. Celebrity say good.
Wow.
Good. All right. Always say the chef doesn't eat what they cook. Look what she's eating now. Sardina and the bhaji. Next celebrity. What are you making, man? Oh, the chef don't know to. Oh, all right. Enough. How much cheese? It's too much cheese. Put the basil leaf, man. Freshy. Yes, sir. Mixy. All right.
Thank you.
Thank you. Tomorrow you must make